Welcome to the future of pipe coating solutions. Welcome to Binary Robotics. At Binary Robotics, we revolutionize the way pipes are protected and maintained. With our cutting-edge technology and innovative solutions, we ensure the longevity and reliability of pipeline. From internal pipe blasting and cleaning, to internal pipe coating for straight and bend pipes. From field joint coating to advanced pipe inspection systems. Binary Robotics offers a comprehensive suite of products to meet all your pipe blasting coating and inspection needs. With Binary Robotics, you can expect unmatched precision, efficiency, and quality in every project. Our robotic systems ensure uniform coating application, thorough cleaning, and precise inspection, guaranteeing optimal performance and longevity for your pipelines. Experience the future of pipe coating with Binary Robotics. Contact us today to learn more about how we can elevate your pipe coating quality and boost your productivity.